welcome to my channel and my first ever YouTube video. Today we'll be doing a twist out as the title and thumbnail implied. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Okay guys, so as I said previously, we'll be doing a twist out today. So if you're a part of the 0.1% of people that don't know how to, we're going to learn today. Okay, so we have a section of hair split into two between the index and the thumb. We're going to take the hair on the left and switch or cross it over to the right and vice versa. In order to continue switching it, we're going to use our middle finger on the left to receive the hair coming from the right while simultaneously passing the hair already in your left hand over to the right. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You're just going to continue the process from there. And if you didn't understand anything I said, hopefully you're a visual learner as I am and can clearly see what I'm doing to follow along.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Okay, so if you are liking this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos with us trying different products on multiple hair textures, and comment down below different brands and products you want us to try. And last but not least, please share this video as well.
on we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. see the horizon, turn us to thousands.